Hi, good evening. My name is Maher Louis, and today we're going to be talking about Map Civil 3D, Map 3D, Map Insert command, as opposed to the data link using Mapwspace within Map 3D Geospatial. First, I'd like to start out with with Civil 3D, and I just started a new drawing, and basically the drawing has the zone set to no datum, no projection, and all that kind of stuff, okay? And what I'm going to do is I'm going to do something that most people do when they have GIS information. They just drag and drop it into the model space. So here are all my parcel shapefiles. They're all in here. And let's just do one real quick demonstration of the GIS information. So first off, you have the county, and the counties are designated by zones. So let's give an example of Sonoma and Marin County. Sonoma is in Zone 2, Marin County is in Zone 3. And what happens when you bring this kind of data in, and all that kind of stuff. So we're gonna first bring in Marin, and then we're gonna bring in Sonoma, and see what happens. Okay. So back to Civil 3D. Here's Marin. Here's the shapefile. So I'll bring that in. Okay. And then here's Sonoma. And I'll bring that in. Okay. And remember that I put in the Marin first, then Sonoma. Now, I didn't do anything else. But check this out. So if I right click on the edit drawing settings, look. Now all of a sudden you see the category is California HARN State Plane Zone 3 foot. And the reason why is because I brought in the Marin County GIS information. This one was in Zone 2 based on this map. So again, here's Marin, Zone 3. Here's Sonoma, Zone 2. In Civil 3D, it says Zone 3, US foot. So what it did is it recognized that the coordinate system used for Marin, which was brought in first, was in Zone 3, and then it brought an appropriate coordinate system, this county, into that zone. So that's not quite the best way of bringing in GIS information. That's the best way to compare or to tie two different coordinate systems together. You bring in the first one of the one that you use, and the second one is the one you want to compare to yours. Okay? But there's another way. So I'm going to start a new drawing, and this command is the command which will bring in whatever data you want into your coordinate system. Okay? The first thing you need to do is you need to set your coordinate system. So let's give you a good example. Let's say I wanted to bring in something in the California State Zone 1 in meter. Okay? Remember, the information I brought in from Marin was Zone 3, and it said HARN Zone 3 foot. Okay? I'm going to bring in the Marin data into my California State Plane HARN State Plane Coordinate Zone 1 in meter. There's a completely different scale, completely different zone, all that kind of stuff. Okay? So I'm going to bring it in. Okay? You use this command, map insert. Import. Map import. So now it's going to ask me for the file location. And the file type is going to be shape, and we're going to bring in the shape. Again, map import says that the original coordinates are here. You can see it here, zone 3, and we're going to put it into this coordinate system, our current coordinate system, and we're going to import them as polygons. So hit OK. Give it some time. Okay, so again, I brought this in to the new coordinate system. So if I put this back into no projection and hit OK and just drag in the Marin parcel information, you'll see it doesn't fall in the same place. See? So this is the zone 1 and this is the zone 3 right there. If I right click, it'll be zone 3. See that? Zone 3. So remember the command map import. Whenever you want to bring in GIS shapefiles into your coordinate system, set the drawing units and zone first. Use the map import command and then bring in the data. That concludes this demonstration. Thank you for watching.